Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need the gesture enabled first, so open Settings and go to Gestures or Motions, turn palm swipe to Capture on. Once done, make sure your hand is relaxed and dry. Moisture or gloves prevent recognition. Position your hand vertically with the pinky side leading, then place the full side of your palm lightly against the screen edge. Practice a single smooth swipe across the display. You're starting the actual capture now, so don't lift mid-swipe. Now perform the gesture. Lay your palm flat at the screen edge and sweep straight across to the opposite edge in one motion. Keep pressure steady but gentle so the sensors detect a continuous contact. Quick flicks often fail. If your phone uses capacitive detection, ensure fingers touch the glass. On curved screens, sweep closer to the center. If the screenshot doesn't trigger, retry slowly and slightly increase contact area so the system can register the palm as an input. After a successful swipe, you'll see a capture animation and a thumbnail. Tap it to edit, crop, or share immediately. Screenshots save to the Screenshots album in Gallery or Photos, so check there if you miss the toast notification. If captures intermittently fail, make sure gesture is still enabled. Remove any screen protector that blocks contact, and reboot the phone to clear sensors. As a last resort, toggle the gesture off and on, or recalibrate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.